While I wait for Compassionista to get here, I'll start this tutorial in more detail by telling you what I have used. This is something that I've had most of my career, just a regular sponge. I'm going to take a corner and clip it off. Now I would do it more dramatically if I wasn't on camera, but when you cut off the corner, then cut, and have about 4 or 5 pieces in here. You'll have little triangles. You can cut them to fit your desire, like this. Now, then you spray it with water. I have a mister that's full of water, and then I let it get all saturated, and then I hold it off to the side, and we'll use this later. Hi, this is Robin, and so I am here with Compassionista. I started this tutorial with Yoga Pants by Twyla True, and we're going to do a technique with sponging. So I have a little piece of the sponges I cut earlier, and I have the gray on here. My palette is white, gray, and black, purple, dark pink, and medium pink. I'm going to be mixing these, but I've mixed a light gray right here, and that's what I'm holding in my sponge. So this isn't really the triangle ones I cut, it's more regular. So I'm going across the edge like this, all like this, and just getting a nice little base. You can make little hills and valleys and go up and down around, however you like. Okay, so now I have the white, and I'm just going to touch over with the white like this, and it gives the illusion of snow. Ha ha ha. I'm going to mix purple into pink right here. Okay, and that purple to pink is going to be like it's gradiated. Now I'm going to add a dab of white, and I roll the white on the end of my brush that you can get at robinmosesnailart.com. And I use my brush for all 1,300 tutorials that I use. I only use 2 brushes. This one is the liner, and it's called the wand, and the unicorn is the striper. Okay, so there is the lighter purple, but I'm going to go in a little bit deeper to the deeper purples right here. And then I'm going to mix it into the pink, and then wipe the end, put the little tiny bit of pink in here like this, and you'll start to see the darker purple, medium purple, pink, light pink, just a little tiny triangle-ish shape. Now I'm going into the purple, and the darker the better at first. Now let me get a bigger nail to start with. Okay, now I'm going into the purple and dropping it in the bottom, and I'm going to do it about 5 times. Then I'm going into the lighter purple with the white added and going in a little more. Then into the pink a little more, and then the light pink, boop, on the top. And you have your beginnings of your tree, and then you just want to kind of drop it down like this. And I'm going to do this across the nails in different ways. So like I'm going to put a little few. See, she has here we go. Okay, if you guys are sloppy and having problems, and I'm sorry about my voice, I have a cold. So anyway, so there's okay, so boom, right over that little smudge, I put just a little purple tree. Okay, now on this one, little purple tree up. And that's where you need the little bit of the sponge to be a little bit triangular. It doesn't have to be perfectly triangular, but if it is, then you only have to go blonk like that. And you say, well, that's what stamping is, right? But no, because every single one you do will look different, and your friends can all have the same design with different colors, and they all look different. And you can put 40 trees here, and every color, and you can manipulate them into like, see, so I haven't done the white yet. Because the paint dries so fast, I can just go back into and do the white, do the snow. And I'm going to put the trees on and meet you back. Okay, so look at this is the beauty of sponging, is that you get all nice and pretty. And for I get comments all the time of, you are not professional because you did not wear the nails. I'm like, no, I'm not professional. Duh. Haven't you seen my channel? But I do professional nails. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to go in with my white. Now I have totally made it thinner. And I'm just going to top in and highlight some of the little trees on the top. And leave the ones that I have ombre'd alone a little bit. And just kind of just sprinkle them with highlights of snow. Because they're going to be my little stars of the show. Oh my gosh, Compassionista. I kind of want to wish I could do a little fairy. You know, like how sad this is that I really want to do like an angel on that tree, and I know that I cannot right now. Unless you guys want to be here for 40,000 hours. God, she's practically there. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to do a little white like this. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Come on. See, that was not intended. But that little angel wanted to be living.
She came out.
Oh, I love him. Her. Look at North Star. So, okay, so up, down, down. Oops. Wonky. I will keep this up and meet you back. Is this... Okay, so this is Wildflowers. Can you guys please tell Wildflowers that I made a video with her products, or any products that you know I used, especially Dazzle Dry. I don't get them out like I would like to, and because I edit and then forget what I used, I need your help. So this is the fourth one down. They're not labeled, but it's on this one, and it's pink and hollow, what is that, like angel dandruff they call it? And Compassionista called it unicorn poop. But it's a pink and a iridescent color. I'm going to mix that with a little bit of really dark purple. But I'm not going to mix it together because I know better. What I do is I take a little scoop of it and put it next to it. And then that way, if I want to mix it later, I can together and see how it looks. But it keeps it separate for now. I'm going to use a Wet n Wild top coat because they're thin, inexpensive, and work forever. Oh, that's not the good one. They changed bottles, and I don't like the bottle, but it's okay. But look at how thin this is. Something like comparable thinness. It doesn't dry so fast. I push it right in the center, right here. And then that way you don't have to use any gel or any kind of special fancy stuff. You mix it together right in here and create the first yumminess right there. Now I'm going to go in with my brush, get it all loaded up, and top it. Bam! Okay. Ooh, that is so pretty. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. You can see it a little bit right there. I will show you. There we go. I'll show you again when I'm done, but I'm just going to go in there like this. And if I would have mixed that dark purple in with this color, it wouldn't have been as cute. So I'm just going to keep the glitter to the trees. Okay, so here is the end result, and I'm going to put a bunch of different lights on, and hopefully you can get an idea. But this is like a winter scene that can go through Christmas and then into the cold season perfectly. So let me try and get different lights on there. There's one different light and another. And then if you hold them up and down, you'll be able to see in and why I put the purple, the dark purple blue one on in between, so that you have the crystal of the trees all on there. Look at the little angel. And that was a happy accident. So see, if you see a happy accident, go with it and don't be scared. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to translate. And I could have went back in and did the perfect star and gave her hair and all that, but the translation stays the same no matter what. So you don't want to bog down your design, and especially if you're running late, you want to just make sure that you have all of the best things shining and catching so that people will grab her hands and nails, and they will. I think you just took down those stockings, right, Compassionista? So stocking nails with the bunnies?
Yes, they were the red French tip with bunnies and gifts and
Yeah.
stuff in there.
So those were a hit, eh?
yes.
Were those a hit?
Oh yes.
Yeah. So
Hand grabber for sure.
the hand grabbers. So there's, let me just move this light around. And see how just when you move the light around, how it just catches? And that's how the nails are. They're just so pretty and so sparkly and so easy. So try them and show me on my Instagram by hashtagging me inspired by Robin Moses, and I will see them. I now know that Instagram can connect me to hashtags, so now I don't have to go looking, and I get so busy I forget to look, and it is not personal. So anybody who I haven't responded to that does hashtag me, it isn't personal at all. It's just because I only have so many places I can go in a day, and that is one that is very difficult. I mean, it's like I almost get embarrassed when I go and see all the work you guys do. I'm weird. So anyways, okay, so hopefully you guys got a good look at these. These are beautiful. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.